Conquering double negatives, making your English shine. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve deep into an intriguing topic: avoiding double negatives. These can sometimes be tricky, but once you understand the logic behind them, you'll be communicating clearly and effectively in no time. So, let's embark on our learning journey and make those confusing double negatives a thing of the past. First, let's define what we mean by a double negative. A double negative occurs when two forms of negation are used in the same sentence. While this is often used in everyday speech for emphasis, it is technically incorrect in standard English as it can lead to confusion and misunderstanding. Let's look at an example. Example: I don't need no help. This sentence is using a double negative, don't, and no, which is grammatically incorrect in standard English. The correct sentence should be, correct, I don't need any help. Now that we know what double negatives are, let's learn how to correct them. 1. Identify the double negatives. Spot the two negatives in the sentence. 2. Use positive forms instead. Often, double negatives can be corrected by replacing one of the negatives with a positive form. Let's see this in action with an example. Example: he can't hardly see. This sentence uses two negatives, can't and hardly. The corrected sentence would be, correct, he can hardly see. Practicing can make a world of difference in mastering this concept. Let's walk through some exercises together. 1. Incorrect. I don't want no apples. Correct. I don't want any apples. 2. Incorrect. She doesn't never go to the park. Correct. She never goes to the park. 3. Incorrect. They didn't see nothing. Correct. They didn't see anything. Continue practicing with similar examples until you feel comfortable identifying and correcting double negatives. And that's a wrap on avoiding double negatives, folks. With some practice, you can easily avoid this common mistake and make your English communication clearer and more precise. Remember, learning is a continuous process, so keep practicing. We hope this video was helpful. Keep learning, and see you next time.